In the realm of the mind, where thoughts unfurl and twine, lies a question profound and divine: who am I? Echoes in time. So begins Neville Goddard's lecture, a beacon of introspection illuminating the shadows of self-identity. It's not a mere question, rather a journey of exploration, a self-guided tour through the labyrinth of our psyche. Imagine standing at the precipice of your consciousness, peering into the abyss, seeking answers that seem to evade the grasp of understanding. The question, who am I, takes on a life of its own, echoing through the chambers of thought, bouncing off the walls of perception and coming back to us, not as an echo, but as a challenge. It's a question that serves as a compass, guiding us down the winding paths of introspection, nudging us to peel back the layers of our identity, one layer at a time, until we reach the core, the essence of our being. As we journey through life's grand design, who am I remains the signpost at the heart of our personal shrine. In the caverns of our minds, where shadows and sunlight intertwine, we seek answers, not in the stars, but within our personal shrine. It's a journey inward, a voyage of the soul where we seek to understand ourselves, to make us whole. This is not a quest for the faint-hearted, it requires courage, it's not for the departed. It's a voyage into our psyche, where our thoughts, emotions and actions all reside. It's a journey of introspection, of self-discovery, where we seek to understand our motives, our desires and our recovery. The importance of such a journey cannot be overstated, for it is in understanding ourselves that we become elated. Self-awareness is the key. It's the compass that guides us. It's the lens through which we see. It's the tool that helps us navigate. Through the labyrinth of our mind, it's the light that illuminates the answers we seek to find. Each thought, each emotion, each action is a piece of the puzzle, a fraction. They shape our reality, they define our existence, they are the essence of our persistence. And it's in understanding these pieces that we gain insights. It's where our self-awareness increases. We begin to see patterns, we begin to see trends, we begin to understand our actions and where they end. We see our strengths, we see our flaws, we see our victories and the causes of our applause. This journey of introspection, of self-exploration, it's not a destination, it's a lifelong dedication. It's a commitment to growth, to personal evolution. It's a journey of transformation, of resolution. So let's embark on this journey, let's seek to understand, let's peel back the layers and see where we stand. For it's in understanding ourselves that we find our true wealth. It's where we discover our potential, our health. As we delve deep within our core, we discover more and more. Who am I becomes not just a question, but an open door. In the theatre of our thoughts, where beliefs are bought and sought, who am I carries a power by our own perception wrought. For we are the sculptors of our souls, the architects of our existence, carving out our destiny with the chisel of persistence. The beliefs we harbour, the thoughts we entertain, shape the landscape of our lives in sunshine and in rain. Beliefs like the wind, unseen yet mighty, dictate the sails of our ship in waters calm or flighty. Embrace the power of positive thinking. Let self-belief be your guiding light, steering you toward shores of success through the darkest night. For the power of belief is an artist, deft and true, painting our reality in hues of every hue. So let us choose our thoughts wisely, let our beliefs be our decree. In the canvas of our psyche, who am I, paints a picture, vibrant and might be. In the dance of life and time, who am I? Chimes, a melody, a rhyme, a riddle sublime. As we've journeyed through this rhyme, delved into our core, we've glimpsed a truth, a secret door, a path towards wisdom, towards understanding more. But the quest is never ending, the journey's just begun. There are more doors to open, more victories to be won, more insights to uncover under the setting sun, more riddles to unravel, more melodies to be sung. So won't you join this quest divine, this exploration of the mind? We promise you a journey both enlightening and kind, discussions that will challenge, lessons that will bind, insights that will empower and help you unwind. So let's embark on this journey. Let's continue to unwind this riddle of existence, this question of mankind. Join us in this quest divine as we explore who am I in time. Subscribe and together we'll let our enlightenment chime.